Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to add an address on your Pizza Hut account. Open the website pizzahut.com, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for Profile. Click on Profile. At the upper part of this page, you will see several tabs. Click on the tab that says Addresses. Under Address Book, you will see an option for Add an Address. Click on Add an Address. Now, select a location type. Then enter all the required information necessary such as your phone number, street, city, state and zip code. The other fields which do not have an asterisk is only optional. After entering all the necessary information, click on Save Address. You can also make this your primary address by clicking on the tick box beside Set as Primary. That's how you add an address to your Pizza Hut account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.